If you are using your Android phone and would like to change your date and time according to your will and wish than your existing by default date and time, how do you change that one? We're going to see in this video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel. To change anything, particularly on your Android phone, go to your settings. Just scroll down like this. You'll find an icon for settings. Go and tap it on that particular icon. Once you tap on that particular icon, you'll be falling into settings section. Under the settings section, so many menus are given here. Just scroll up. You'll find one option for general management. Go and tap on this general management section. Upon tapping this general management section, under the general management, you will be having so many options here, and out of which one of the thing is date and time. Just go and tap on this date and time. It will tell you automatic date and time. You can set here, and apart from that, if it is already given, I have given with this timing, and I set my date and time. Everything is given here. You can select the time zone. You can go to any other zone. You can set the date whichever you are wanting, and apart from that, you can also set your time will according to your own time. So also you can change this time format from 24 to 12 or 12 to 24 like this. Every time you can change according to your wish. This is the way which will be very much helpful and changing your date and time according to your wish. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel. I'll show you one more time. Go to the settings. Once you're going to the settings, straight away under the settings, general management. Under the general management, you'll be having date and time. Tap here. All the things can be changed. Thank you so much for watching.